Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of school planner. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about school planner. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about school planner. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.